So really, I'm going to be taking you through the opportunity for converged communications through vertical industries. If that sounds like a tongue twister, try and putting that in your technology stack. But very, very interesting to note, we didn't compare notes here today. A lot of what we're doing at Access4 resonates with the data that we're seeing. It's not my job to give you the insights and the data. It's just to show you what we're doing as an organization. So if you know Access4 and our journey to convergence, we really look at our 4 core product pillars, namely unified communications, customer experience, user experience, and of course, artificial intelligence. So at the genesis of Access4 is our unified comms pillar, started in 2016. And we often forget to celebrate the small milestones, but if those of you in the room that are good at maths, 2016, 2026, you'll note that we're now 10 years old as an organization. I think that's a remarkable achievement. We've got one of our founders in the back over there, Australian born, Australian bred, now with a beachhead into the UK. So we're actually taking our IP from Australia, meeting everyone else that's coming this way, and going to take them on in their backyards. So it's incredibly impressive for us. It's an exciting time for Access4. Our unified communication pillar, again, started in 2016 with our core Class 4, Class 5 products. We really sought to ease the deployment, the provisioning, the management of unified communication services. Over the last 18 months, we've been focused on CX, or our contact center portfolio. The acquisition of Channel UC roughly 18 months ago has really matured our contact center practice, and we're growing significantly in that space. We then look at our UX, or our user experience pillar. These are essentially our value-add solutions. Once you've chosen your core UC product or your core CX product, what else are you going to add value to your partners and our partners and your end user customers? And that could be call recording, insights, it could be payment gateways, SMS gateways, and much more that we've wrapped into that UX pillar. And then, of course, artificial intelligence. We're looking at the platform level and, of course, in our product portfolio, ensuring that our proprietary platform, SaaS Bus, is easy to use, easy to choose. Along that journey to convergence, I can share with you, it has been chaotic. Overnight, taking 9 products to 21 products is not easy. Multiple vendors create disparate systems. There's technical complexity in overlapping features. Who owns the feature stack? Is it the UC pillar? Is it the CX pillar? Of course, implementation risks. Who will deploy the solution? Who will manage the solution? Who will support the solution? All the while, modern enterprises demanding seamless integration. So really, nowadays, it's not as easy as it used to be to win with comms technology with everything evolving so rapidly. One of the areas we're looking to solve for this challenge is going back to our legacy, relying on our proprietary platform, SaaS Bus, to demystify convergence, taking away the complexity, providing clarity to our partners, and providing value to their end user customers. A single unified platform, no more vendor juggling, no more integration headaches, just results. 10 years of platform data have now moved us along from convergence, and we're now pioneering a path that brings elements of convergence together into a cohesive ecosystem via vertical bundles. So in vertical bundles and our 10 years worth of data in the platform, we've looked at vertical specific workflows, tailored communication patterns that reflect vertical's unique operational requirements and regulatory frameworks. We've looked at 400,000 services on our platform, 22,000 customers. What are the repeatable outcomes of those services? Well, successful implementation that follows proven methodologies that can replicate across similar organization and provide the same sector, the same outcomes. And then, of course, simplified integration. We've looked at pre-configured solutions that dramatically reduce deployment time and eliminate the complexity for custom integrations. No one wants to delay their service to market. And for us, what is the outcome? Well, what we're experiencing is verticalized bundles deliver outcomes. This is not convergence anymore. This is convergence simplified. We've taken out the best breed from our UC stack, our CX stack, and our UX stack, and we've designed bundles based on desired outcomes from each vertical. So what are some of those key takeaways? And in closing of my keynote, well, convergence is not new. It's now the norm. It's an expectation from end user customers. You need to find partnerships that help you navigate the noise. The next generation of industry platforms will not be CRM, ERP, contact center solutions in isolation. They'll be deeply integrated communication-first workflows. Customers, our partners, are looking for single interfaces. That's what we're now providing them and always have, even from our legacy UC background. So verticalization is no longer a layer under application. It is the layer that connects people, data, and decisions. There's a lot of us around here today. Please come and find us, come and chat to us about innovation, about our products, as well as about partnerships. Thank you very much.